Spirit Bird takes you by the hand to consciously break out of your everyday life. Our app guides you to suitable activities and simple techniques to slow down and reconnect with your true self, even and especially in uncertain times like these.
We provide safe spaces for your inner growth. Whether you practice on your own in natural surroundings or in a group setting in the middle of the city, Spirit Bird will help you choose your individual path to peace of mind. Like-minded students and teachers nurture and inspire each other to spread awareness and create the momentum for positive change.
As a non-profit organization with the purpose of improving the health of society in a sustainable way, we're excited to invite you to be part of our global community.
Thank you so much for your contribution. No matter how big or small, we are very grateful, and it's going to be a big impact to make Spirit Bird fly.
Also, we would love to share our visions, ideas, and future projects, as well as live speaker sessions and Q&As with you. So if you'd love to sign up to our newsletter, do that.
We hope to see you very soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Keep it up.
Good job.